Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the channel. So in today's video, I actually just bought this old manufactured home behind me here. I have yet to be inside. We actually bought it sight unseen essentially, based off of just a couple pictures that the seller had sent over to us. We closed on it just a few days ago and I'm out here now to put a scope of work together. So we're gonna head inside and take a look. And then also, I'm gonna get into a little bit about why manufactured homes can be a great option for flippers, along with a couple things that you do need to watch out for and be aware of, because there's not a lot of people out here, a lot of flippers out there, I feel, that flip manufactured homes. We'll do quite a few of them, and you just gotta know what to look for. So let's go inside, take a look, and then we'll get into all that as well. So, as you can see here, this place is going to need a lot of work. These older manufactured homes usually just have like an aluminum siding. As you can see, some of that's just kind of rubbing off. It's just algae or whatever, but that should clean up just fine. One of the main things you want to watch out for when buying or flipping manufactured homes is the house itself on space rent, or is it on owned land? Many manufactured home parks, or trailer parks if you will, you actually don't own the land your structure sits on, where in this particular park you do. These are actually all individual lots that we purchased when we purchased the structure here, which makes it a much more desirable product and increases the end sales price. In many cases, if you are just buying the structure and not purchasing the land itself, you'll then also have a very cheap entry price, but you're paying a lot of money each month in space rent, basically. It's a bit of a detractor for your end buyer. So you gotta watch out for that. And just something to notate, we flip manufactured homes in both that own the land and also on stuff that's on space rent, but it's just very important that you know which one that you are getting into when you're buying your deal. So I'm gonna be honest with you, we bought this thing off some photos from the seller, so I'm actually a little bit nervous about going inside. So far, it's not a good sign when all this stuff is on the porch here. But let's go, let's see what's going on. Oh God. Holy shit. I think I just almost fell through the floor. Holy hell. Look at this. My leg almost just went through the floor. Holy shit. Oh my God. It's in my mouth. Holy smokes, guys, this place is insane. This is gonna be a heavy lift for sure. Take a moment, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because this project is gonna be a doozy and you're gonna wanna follow along with this one. So I need to go put on some like rubber boots and get a mask before I can go into this thing any further. I'm really hoping this house didn't come with this little Pomeranian here. All right, now we'll head back inside now that I'm suited up properly. I got my mask because it smells, and I got my muck boots here. Lord knows what I'll be stepping into there, so keeps the fleas off me at the very least. Let's take a look. Let's see if we can get anywhere in here. Whew! That's the kitchen through there. There is another side door that maybe I might be able to poke back in through there, because I just don't feel like it's a good idea to crawl through there. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom manufactured home. It's around 950 square feet. So I'm assuming it's 1 bedroom up here in the front, 1 bedroom in the back, but I haven't confirmed that yet. What in the hell? I'm gonna need to get a dang excavator in here to move all this shit out of here. Look at those, are 2 5-gallon buckets. The trash is literally up to the top of those buckets. I should have put on rubber gloves too. I really don't want to touch anything. End up with something. I'm just baffled right now. I do not understand. I don't know. I'm at a loss for words. How does a property get like this? How can someone live like this? It just doesn't make any sense. People were walking on garbage to get to their bed back there. This is absolutely, it's insanity. That was one part of the house, of course. This is kind of the front half of the house that we just saw. Going back into that other bedroom, there's another door on the exterior, kind of around this corner here. I'm gonna see if I can get back. Oh, that was just a shadow. I thought I saw something moving back there. Anyway, I'm gonna go in that other door, see if I can get to the kitchen area back there. Okay, there's a key in here. Let's see if this key works for this, this other door. Damn. No, it does not. Holy sh**. This is insane. This is literally, oh my God. This is probably 5 feet of just a garbage mountain that I'm crawling over. Oh Lord. Please keep me on stable feet. Wow. Holy hell. Holy hell. Get out of the way. Oh, okay. Okay, I was able to get in. I was able to get through and get to that back door, so I can take you guys in now. Days like today make me question my career choice. All right, so we're cruising in the back door here. That's what I just crawled over through the kitchen. Pretty insane. And then here's that back bedroom, that bedroom 2 of 2. Yeah, this is probably the cleanest one thus far. There's gotta be just some colony of rats living in here. I mean, good God. See how nice this bathroom is. Oh, what a nice surprise. So the bathroom, I mean, obviously not good. We got a little leak in the ceiling up there. Oh, excuse me, the smell's getting to me through the mask. Probably the cleanest part in the house, but we're gonna have to touch every surface on this thing. This is gnarly. So a few things I look for when buying manufactured homes. One of them we talked about earlier, which was making sure that it's on owned land and not space rent. You can flip manufactured homes in a park on space rent. We do that, but you just need to know that going in so that you can run your numbers correctly, because anything on space rent is gonna be worth much less than if it owns the land too, like this property here that we're standing in. In addition to that, a lot of these manufactured home parks or manufactured neighborhoods will come with it might be a 55 and older age restrictions. Making sure that we understand, hey, are we in a 55 and older, or can anybody buy this place? Because that's gonna limit your buyer pool as well, and thus it's also gonna, minimize your exit price. And one of the big ones here is knowing what year the manufactured home or trailer was built. So anything older than 1976 is not financeable through like a standard mortgage product. So this particular property is actually built in 1974, but we know that going in, this is not a financeable product. Now, why that's important to know is this whole neighborhood is filled with different age manufactured homes or different year built. So what you don't want to do is be looking at your neighbors at the neighboring house that just sold. It happens to be built in 1978, and let's just say, using arbitrary numbers here, let's say it sold for $250,000, and it looks like a model match to ours. Ours is gonna sell for significantly less because it's not financeable. Once we do, trash this thing out, renovate this place, it is going to have to sell to a cash buyer. It's just something to note. Again, that's going to affect our end sales price significantly. So we bought this place from what I think is still a good deal. My intention today was come in here and do a scope of work, but given the amount of trash in here, there's no way I can actually go through and pencil exactly what needs to be done. But I'll give you some round numbers here. We bought this place for $33,000. I think doing a full go on this thing, meaning we touch every surface, I don't think it's gonna get above 70,000. That's what my gut is telling me. So that would put us all into this thing at $103,000. And I think our exit on that to a cash buyer will be around $180,000, $185,000. So we still should have a good margin on this place once we're all said and done. And that $180,000 price point that I'm mentioning are from comps that I've pulled in this neighborhood that are also pre-1976. They were also a cash product that sold, and we called a couple realtors in the neighborhood who had sold stuff in here, and that helped us get to our number of that $180,000, $185,000 exit. So all in all, this should be a great deal. Guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel on this one. You're definitely going to want to see this thing transform through the different stages. So like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. All right, see ya.